Jai Hind all, this is Dr. Shivani Agrawal. So today I am here for presenting a topic. The topic name is the page replacement algorithm. This is the topic of Unit 4 of operating system. So let's start. What is a page replacement? So what is page replacement and what is the need of page replacement? If we need the page replacement, then what is the need of the algorithm? How algorithms are there? So page replacement means if we have to take the page from the secondary to the main storage, then we need the page replacement. So this is the main thing that we have to explain. But which page we have to replace if the 8 pages present in the main memory and we want to replace a page, so which page we have, which frame we have to replace with which page? So this is the main question. So for this problem we have to solve by using the algorithms. So we have algorithms named as the FIFO, LRU and the optimal that we have to use for the page replacement. So this provides the help for decide which page we have to replace with the new page. So this is the main thing. So we have to decide which page must be swapped out from the main memory to create a space for the incoming page or the new page. So what is the page fault? So basically a page fault means if the running program we have to access a memory page but that page is absent in the main memory. So we want to replace that page from the secondary storage to the main storage and we have to load that particular page. But if the main memory is completely filled, so which page we have to replace from the from the secondary memory page? So this is the basic concept of the page replacement algorithm. So the main thing is that in case of page fault, operating system might have to replace one of the existing page of the main memory. That page we can't use from the long time. So that page we have to replace from the secondary memory page that we want to use. So this is the main thing. So there are the 3 algorithms that we have to use is FIFO, LRU and optimal. FIFO means first in, first out. LRU means least recently used and optimal means future based algorithm. So this is the first in, first out. The basic working terminology of FIFO is that it replaces the oldest page that has been present in the main memory for the longest time. So first page that comes in the first time that we have to replace to the next page. So this is the basic algorithm for the FIFO. Now taking the example for that, the main thing we have always see that how many page frames are present. So there are the 3 page frames that are present for introducing this particular question. So let's see the solution. There are the 3 frames that we have to use for replacing the FIFO or for the page replacement algorithm. So first we have to assign 4 here because the complete page frames are free. Now the second, so we always tick that 4 we have to use. Now the second is 7. So we have to define 4 and 7. Now the third frame is 6. So we have to arrange 4, 7, 6 in this. Now the 1. So there is no space in the memory, then we want to call the page replacement and at this time the page replacement algorithm named as FIFO, first in, first out. So according to the algorithm name, we have to just replace the first page. This is 4, first frame. This is 4 to 1. So now the frames are 1, 7, 6. Now the current stage is 1, 7, 6. This is the current stage. Now the 7 already present in the frame, so it is hit. Now 6 is also present, so it is again hit. Now 1 is again present, so it is hit. So there are 3 hits with this particular algorithm till now. Now 2. So 2 replace from which frame? So this is FIFO. So we have to consider first in, first out. After 4, the 7 is the second element. So we have to just replace 7 from 2. So it is now 1, 2, 6. Now 2. 2 is already present, so it is hit. This is H represented as hit. Either you use H or tick or any sign you have to use for hitting page. So these are the complete 4 hits in this particular algorithm for the FIFO. I think it is clear. Now find out the hit ratio. So total number of page faults that will occur is there are the total elements are 10. How many pages are hit? It is 4. So the hit ratio is 40%. And what are the miss ratios or known as page fault? There are 60% are the page faults because there are only 4 hits present in this particular algorithm. So this is the FIFO. So this is the solution of the FIFO that I already explained. So this is the complete concept. In this we have to use the cross marks for the hits. So either you use cross, H, tick as you wish. Now this is the calculation of the hit ratio, that total number of references are 10, total number of page misses or page faults are 6. So what is the hit ratio? It is 40%. So this is the hit ratio. Now the miss ratio, just reverse of the miss ratio. So the page faults are 6. So the 60% is the miss ratio. Now the second algorithm. Second is the LRU. This is the least recently used. There is only a big difference between the FIFO and LRU is that in the LRU, if the page comes, those are already placed in the first time, but it is recalled again, so it is considered a new page, a new element, not considered as an old element. So this is the basic thing that always kept in our mind, that for example, we have to take example with the 4. First element is 4. Then the second element is 7. So we always taking a frame for that. 4 is the first element. After the new element is 7. And the third element is 6. So we have to see that 4, 7, 6. 6 is the new element in this. Now 1. So we have to take which element we have to replace, because the 1 is the new element and there are already 3 frames are completely filled. So we have to see the window. If the frame size is 3, so we have to consider the 2 window. If the frame size are 4, so we have to consider the 3 windows. So as per the question, we have to define the frames and we have to take the windows according to the frames. So there are 2 frames, 6 and 7 is the recent frames. So we have to just swap the 4 with the 1. So it is 1, 7, 6. So 1 is the new element in this. So we always kept that. We always put a window on the new frame so that we have to see, or we have the less mistakes for that. So this is 1. Now, the next element is 7. 7 is already present in this window. So we have to take 1, 7. But in this time, the 7 considered as a new element, not an old element. It is replaced with the 7. 7 considered as a new element, not the old element. This is the big thing that we always kept in our mind, that is in the least recently used. So this is 7 is a new element. Now, the next element is 6. 6 is already present. So it is hit also. So we have to define hit. 1, 7, 6. 6 again, repeat, but we have to consider 6 as a new element, not the old element, right? Now the next is 1. So 1 is already present in the windows. So we have to take the window on 1. So it is as a new element. Now 2. So 2 is not present in the window. So this is hit also, sorry. And the third next element is 1, 7, 6. Sorry. So which element we have to replace to put 2 in this particular memory frame? So we just replace, because 1 is the new element, 6 is the new element. So which element we have to replace? 7, because 7 is the oldest element as compared to the 1 and 6. So we have to just replace 7 in as 2. So it is the new element. So we have to consider it as a window 2. Now the next element is 7. Now 2 is a new element, 1 is a new element. The oldest element is 6. So we have to replace 6 with the 7. So it is 1, 2, 7. Now the 7 is the newest element. Now 2 is already present. So it is hit. So how many hits are there? There are already 4 hits. So in FIFO, the hits are not same in the every question. But in this question, the hit values are same in the FIFO and LRU. So it is not considered that if this question have the total number of hits are 4 in the FIFO and LRU, so every question it is same. No, it is different accordingly, right? So this is the solution of LRU that I already explained. Now, how many page faults are there? So we have to find the total number of elements. So this total number of elements are 10. So and the hit elements are 4. So 10 minus 6, it is 10 minus 6, it is 4. So 40% is the hit ratio and 60% is the miss ratio. Now the optimal algorithm. So what is optimal algorithm? Optimal means we have to always see the future. So we always consider that my future is bright. So we have to take the optimal algorithm. But practically it is impossible, because always we want that my future is bright, but we have to work to create that particular bright future. So we have to implement the optimal algorithm for the future consideration. And this is the best algorithm and give the best results. And there are the very less page faults as compared to the higher the hit ratio. So we have to take the same example for the optimal algorithm. Now the 4, 7, 6 and the frame size is same 3. So it is 4. Now the second element is 7. Third element is 6. 4, 7, 6. Now the frame is full. How we have to replace 1 with these 3 pages? So what we do? So we just check after 1 which elements we have to define. It is 7 and 6. So 7 and 6 already present in the memory. So which element we have to replace? All 4. 4 is not present in the current scenario in the future space. So we have to change 4 to 1. So it is what? It is 1, 7, 6. So we see that 7 and 6 already placed in the memory. So it is hit. There are 2 hits. And again 1. So it is also a plus bookmark. This is 1. So there are 3 hits are there with the by the simplest one change from 4 to 1. So we take the 3 hits are there. Now 2. So the 2 is not present in the array. So what we do? Again we take the future. We see the future. So in the future we have only single element 7. So we can't replace 7. So there are 2 elements now. What we do? 1 and 6. So we just use the approach that is FIFO in this case. So 1 and 6. Which element we have to remove or swap with the new page? So what we do? In current scenario 1 and 6. Which one is the new element? 1 is the new element, 6 is the old element. So we have to replace 6. So now it is 1, 7, 2. Right? Then 7 and 2, both are the future elements. So there are 2 hits again. So this is a bumper that we have 5 hits rather than the 2 or 3 or 4 hits. In the FIFO and LRU, there are only 4 hits, but in the optimal, we have the 5 hits. So this is the current scenario for the optimal algorithm. So this is the hit ratio. So there are the 5 hits rather than the 4 hits, because this is the future based algorithm and it is best or the better than the FIFO and the LRU. So this is the solution. That solution shows same. There are the 5 hits, and how many, what is the page fault? Page fault 50%, because 5 hits are there and 5 miss are there. So this is the thing.